black and white. Our tutelage to law professionals is highly immersed in not only technical aspects but also psychology is interspersed along with it.
Vel Tech School of Law has made my learning journey a highly stimulating one. The faculty here have a flair of making the most mundane lessons intriguing and ensure that every student attains utmost conceptual clarity.
Furthermore, sessions with moot courts that simulate a real court environment allow law students to put their learning into practice, enabling them to become experts in dealing with legal issues.
We get to participate in several moot court competitions and presentations where we can put our learning to practice. These contests are instrumental in enhancing our analyzing, presenting and legal skills. When I graduate from Vel Tech School of Law, I am certain that I will be stepping out as a competent law professional thanks to this institute's rigorous and expertly training.